Aequitas. Justice understood as fairness in human relations, which acted to temper the rigors of abstract norms, or strictum ius, and accommodated them to the peculiarities of life. Aristotle, to whom the Western legal tradition owes one of the earliest and most influential notions of equitable justice, or in Greek epieíkeia, illustrated his understanding of the equitable interpretation and application of the law through the metaphor of the so-called lesbian ruler. This was a mason's ruler, supposedly new on the isle of Lesbos and made of lead, that could therefore be bent to the curves of the stone without losing its measure. Medieval jurists identified Aequitas with God himself. A typical example of civilian jurisprudence, known as the Fragmentum Pragense, stated that Aequitas is that harmony of facts that requires equal legal treatment of equal causes. God himself can be qualified as Aequitas. Aequitas is in fact nothing but God. This Aequitas becomes justice when it is perpetuated by human will that, should it be enacted in written or customary precepts, is qualified as law.